काही तितले एक्सपेक्टेड आसा साउथ गोवा. हाउ इज द सेक्युरिटी? कितले police deploy केल्ले आसा?
In South Goa, we have completely done the security. Wherein in South Goa we are having 98 churches wherein the midnight mass is held, and in the 98 churches we have deployed 318 policemen. At each place we are having 2, 3, 2, 3 accordingly, 318 who will be near the churches to see that the security and the order is maintained. Apart from that, in the field we are having 16 police inspectors, 53 sub-inspectors, assistant sub-inspectors 22, 44 head constables, 286 police constables, lady constables we are having 37, and 79 home guards, 40 IRBN staff, Reserve Battalion. So total 585 policemen will be on the road, patrolling and assisting the public. Now we also have robot vehicles wherein there are 48 staff on the robot vehicle. We are having pink force vehicle. We are having Robins, that is a motorcycle patrolling from our side. We are having foot patrolling also. 122 staff have been put for foot patrolling. Apart from that, we are having nakabandis at strategic points wherein we have deployed 78 staff on nakabandis. And as I said, for the churches, 318. So in all, and for the emergency also, we have kept around 65 staff along with me for emergency purposes in any case. So we are well prepared for taking up for the next New Year 2025.